How to log out of the Shein app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of the Shein app in just few simple steps. Whether you are switching account or just want a little extra privacy, I've got you covered. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Shein app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. From here, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there you can see the option labeled as sign out. So simply tap on that. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on sign out again, and after that a confirmation message will pop up. From that message, simply tap on yes. And that's it. Now you have successfully logged out of your Shein app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.